My name's Travis Paugh. Um, I'm the refurb manager for American Key Supply. I'm 46 years old. I've been with AKS for about 4 years.
Step inside American Key Supply and meet the people who keep the locksmith world turning, one key at a time.
I spent probably 10 years, a little bit more in the restaurant industry. I just came to Vegas because it was a lifelong dream. I'd never heard anything about the industry before, and I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. I'm originally from West Virginia, born and raised. Been in Vegas just a little over 6 years. I'm actually getting ready to celebrate my 24th wedding anniversary at the end of this month. Spent a lot of time with both my dogs and my family. My dogs I've had since they were babies, so they're just like kids to me. And I ride an electric scooter just about everywhere, to and from work every day. I love the family atmosphere of American Key Supply. My first Thanksgiving with AKS kind of blew my mind. We had a potluck and we all sat in the break room together, you know, and we talked while we were eating and just, you know, it was just so friendly and it was great. No 2 days are ever the same when it comes to day to day. It really depends on what's going on. I might have a bunch of keys coming in, or I may have to, you know, make sure a bunch get built. You know, it keeps those items from going to landfills and things like that. It's the same item as what you would normally get, but it's just a different shell. The inside's the same, everything. So it's a really good value. And they don't cost as much as the OEMs. The most satisfying part is watching one of those remotes, just a cracked, filthy remote, become like brand new again. It's OEM parts on the inside. We haven't changed any of that. We just made the outside look better and made sure everything works. We started with a team of 5. Now we're at a team of 13, counting myself. My style of leadership, I would say, is mixed. With that many people, you have to have a mixed style because each person learns a different way. We'll do team lunches. We do a daily question on the board. It's usually a would you rather question. We celebrate team members' birthdays. They do Jeopardy as well in the evening time. Someone who's friendly, not afraid to get their hands dirty, and attention to detail. Yeah, a lot of water damage or broken parts on the inside. It's pretty much a death sentence for it then. They all hold up pretty well. I say Toyota and Lexus hold up a little bit better. It seems like it's maybe a thicker plastic or something. I don't know, but they seem to hold up better. All right, now I'm gonna take this remote. It's all grimy and nasty. We're gonna reshell it and make it look new again. Okay. All right, gonna make sure that everything's intact. None of the solder's broken. Everything looks nice and clean. Okay, let's put a new battery in it. Grab that new shell. Make sure everything's in there. Put the new board in. Close it up. We want to test and make sure we have a frequency. And there we are, from beginning to end.
For more information on American Key Supply, our products, services, and locksmith training courses, visit us at americankeysupply.com.
the customer side gonna complain, huh?
No, no.